How to register VFS Global account. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is open up any reliable or preferred web browser that you want to use. In this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now, head straight to visa.vfsglobal.com's official website, and once you're here, just simply click this option here that says I don't have an account. Once you click on that, you will now then be redirected to the VFS Global registration page. Now all I have to do from here is just to input general details such as your working email address, your strong password that you would like to set up, and your mobile number. Now enter all these details are here, and then for your mobile number, you just have to choose on that specific area code the certain number that's going to be starting. Say for example, you're going to be using the Philippine number, just simply choose on Philippines, and it usually starts with +63. And put your number and make sure that you will be ticking all these three options or three boxes right here and start on choosing the register option. And that is how you create with VFS Global account.